Hello, everyone. My name is Angela Milani. I am here with my partner, Lily, and today we are presenting RN-PrepPro, which is an LLM with Q&A assistance to pass nursing board exams. So our vision is to contribute to a better prepared nursing workforce and to empower the medical personnel to achieve excellence with ease. So we have our agenda. We have us talking about the RN-PrepPro, why it's essential. We have some USA nurse statistics, and we talk about how RN-PrepPro works. And we go into our awesome developmental process and our demo, and then we got our takeaways. So with that, let's start. So the RN-PrepPro uses RAG, which is Retrieval Augmented Generation technology, and transforms how students achieve in-depth learning. And in that we have, with that, we prepare students for their NCLEX-RN exam. So nursing is the largest and most trusted healthcare profession. We have 5.2 million registered nurses in the US, and it's the largest single healthcare profession with a growing shortage. There's definitely a growing demand for advanced degrees, and there's more of a need for nurses with MSN or DPN degrees. And the nurses versus doctor ratio is 4 times more registered nurses than doctors in the US. It's the most trusted profession and the most ethical and honest profession. So why is RN-PrepPro essential? So the NCLEX-RN is basically a test that's required to pass to be licensed as an RN. And the RN-PrepPro addresses the overwhelm of vast information and clinical pressures, and we help future nurses learn and interact with the material in depth. So we reduce exam stress, and we make success more accessible. So how does it work? We utilize a vast database of medical terminology, and in our case, we're using the NCLEX study guide PDF, which is a comprehensive PDF. And we have a Q&A generation feature, which makes us unique. And how it works is a user sends a query or requests Q&A pairs, and then the RN-PrepPro generates questions as well as answers. So then I will turn it over to Lily for our demo. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Is Lily here?
I'm here.
Okay. Oh, sorry. How do I? Oh, I stopped sharing my screen. Okay, we're good.
Okay. Sure. Okay. Hi. Okay. I hope you see the screen right now.
Not yet. It's still
Not
black.
yet.
Not yet. It's still black first. There we go. You're up.
Now we can see it.
Okay, great. So this is we combine this with Chainlit, so we can ask the questions, and this is also on Git on Hugging Face deployed, and so basically I'm also mentioning here that we're using F5's vector store. The embeddings with it's just the what's called, sorry, embedding 3 small of OpenAI, and then here's our authors, and here's some example questions how it works. So basically you can type, I'm just gonna type one of these questions. Maybe this one, doesn't matter. And wait for the response. Bam, you don't even have to open the book, right? So we can also type another one for question and answers. So I can type this one again because it's pretty cool. And so this is if someone knows the questions, then they can, if they know what they want, they can type what they want. However, if they just want to learn, they can go and ask for questions, answers, pairs. So I will put something about the heart. And this is all from this NCLEX PDF that we have. There it goes. And there is 5 questions. I asked it for 5 question answer pairs. And there's the student learning about these things. And it also notes the sources from where it found these answers, the questions and the answers from the book that we're using for RAG. So this is what's going on in the application. And then I can show you a little bit of code also. Other screens and how can I do the screen thing? So found it. So I'm just going to show you just a little bit of code. So here it comes. So did you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so basically this is we are so we're importing everything we need for the code, and then all the dependencies, and then we need our keys right there, and then we define our parser right over here, and then we download the file, over here, and then we set our settings with the OpenAI model, and then we do define the vector store, which is the files right there. And then we have the recursive index, which we're going to use as a re-ranker. And then we have the prompt is right there. We added some stuff on the prompt so that it doesn't hallucinate. And the chain lead is at the bottom right here. So we connect to chain lead. So that is the code. So the next thing we did is we used an open source. I'm just gonna open. We used an open source LLM, namely the Mistral, which is already instruct tuned, so that we can give it more and better instructions. We can stick to them. And then we fine-tuned it with a data set which is medical, and repeated this whole procedure just like with this code, and tested it. Finally, we did, as I'm going to talk after, we tested it with
1 minute.
hello?
1 minute.
Yeah, I can share the slides now, right? Oh, it's right there.
I guess with the 30 seconds we have left, we tested 3 different models, and we just tested with the same Feist retriever vector store, as well as used different parsers, but we used identical prompts and queries to see which one would perform better. And then we have all of the eval results and stuff in our GitHub. But we found that the llama index actually performed the best out of all of them. And then we deployed that one. But it was a very extensive, super cool build process where we can compare everything. So yeah.
And here's the
Thank you. Thank you, both of you. We are at time.